So coefficient of x dash y dash will be 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta for the equal to 0 edukumo. So this is cos 2 theta. So you will get 2 theta equal to pi by 2. So theta will be equal to pi by 4. Now let us substitute the value of theta in the given equation. അപ്പോൾ cos theta and sin theta രണ്ടും 1 by root 2 വരും. So let us substitute in the given equation. So coefficient of x dash square will be, so 3 cos square plus sin square 3 വരും. So 3 into 3 plus 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. അപ്പോൾ 1 വരും. അപ്പം x dash square coefficient 4 ആയിരിക്കും. So 4 x dash square, then coefficient of x dash y dash is 0, then this will be minus 16 by root 2 x dash അതുപോലെ plus 16 by root 2 y dash വരും, and then plus 20 equal to 0. So that implies you will have 4x dash square. This is minus 8 root 2 x dash plus 8 root 2 y dash plus 20 equal to 0. Sorry, നമുക്ക് y dash square the coefficient. Okay, I have missed out that term. The y dash square and that coefficient കൂടി വരും. So y dash square and the coefficient 3 sin square theta. From here y dash square minus 2 cos theta sin theta, and here 3 cos square theta. Okay. അപ്പോൾ y dash square ന്റെ value substitute ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ theta value substitute ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ so you'll get 3 minus 1 but 2 y dash square വരും. So plus 2 y dash square. Now let us complete the perfect squares. Okay. Get 4 x dash square minus 2 root 2 x dash. അപ്പോൾ 2 വരും, plus 2, okay, plus 2 minus 2 വരും, then 2 y dash square plus 2 വെളിയിൽ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ 4 root 2 y dash. So this will be 2 into 2 root 2. So that will be 8 minus 8 plus 20 equal to 0. So you will get 4 x dash minus root 2 whole square plus 2 y dash plus 2 root 2 whole square equal to minus 20. ഇവിടെ minus 8, ഇവിടെ വരുമ്പോൾ plus 8 ആവും, and here minus 16, here you will get plus 16. So that will be 4x dash minus root 2 whole square plus 2 y dash plus 2 root 2 whole square, that will be equal to 4. So you will get x dash minus root 2 whole square plus y dash plus 2 root 2 whole square by 2 equal to 1. So now let us change the origin. So changing the origin to root 2 minus 2 root 2, we get x double dash square plus y double dash square by 2 equal to 1. So it is the required canonical. So the underlying standard ellipse is x double dash whole square plus y double dash whole square by 2 equal to what?